Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to make VR Panorama, AiHouse VR Panorama in Facebook. Okay, in Facebook you're able to see. Alright, first thing first, go to your AiHouse. Okay, you just download your Panorama. Okay, Panorama you download. So to come in, just come to gallery. Okay, from render, Panorama. Okay, see which one you want to download. So for example, if I use this one, I press download, download now. Okay, so after download, it will look like it's a T shape. So in Facebook, they don't support T shape. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to use a converter from T shape to a rectangular shape like this. Okay, so open this is my link. Copy this one. This is the download link. Copy this one. You open new tab. Paste here like this. Enter. We use this one. Download this one. Converter. Click me. Once you click in, download this one. Let's say download. Once download complete, you can just find which location you want to put, or you can just put it here. Just right click. Attract here. You have your panorama converter. Double click it. Press this one. Now we want to convert the image. So drag the image, the T file, put it here. Just drag and drop. Convert input. So maybe this shape. I make it to 3000. Format. So format, I make it a JPEG. Quality, if you want to go high, you can go high. You don't want, then you can just go 90%. Output, where you want to output, select it. So let's say I put at desktop panorama, this one. Then just press save, then press convert. As you can see here, done. It's already done convert. So now I'm going to show you how to put it in Facebook, because once just this image you can't able to put it, so you need one more method. We use template method, which is this link. Just now we use this link, now we use this link. Copy. From here we use that. Paste the name, enter. Download this template. Press template. Open your file. From here we go to paint. Let's start. Enter. From here you can drag and drop your template. Zoom out. As you can see, your template is here. Press file. Press paste. Paste item from. File, where's your image? This image. Click open. As you can see, the size like this. So if you fit 6000, 3000, that will be correct already. So just drag and fit. Once you complete, save as. Once you save as already, as a JPEG. Alright. Once you complete, it will be something like this already. Then you come to your Facebook. From the wall picture here, then you just drag and drop the image. As you can see here, something, this icon like this, then you press post. There you go. So remember, hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.